Just pose for the camera.
He did. He said, "What's up, girl?"
Oh, look at the fish right there.
Look at him. What is he doing?
Oh, he's under the bridge.
That is a baby. Oh no. Oh no. Help me, help me, help me. What are you doing? Good morning. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. We're watching the slideshow, whatever that means. That's what he's looking at. That's our view, right from out here. I'm waiting on the rest of the family. We're supposed to be out of here at 8 o'clock, but you know, they're still getting ready and whatnot. We are going to Blizzard Beach today. Are you gonna get on some slides and play in some water? Yeah? And who are we gonna go have breakfast with? Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, baby. Don't do that. You're gonna drop him. And then he's gonna be gone forever. You don't want him to be gone forever.
Then we have to buy a new one.
Yep, don't drop him, dude. But first, before we go to Blizzard Beach, we're gonna go have breakfast with who? Mickey Mouse.
And Daisy.
And Daisy. Do you know anybody else that will be there? Chip and Dale might be there. Don't do that, Toots. I'm telling you that it's gonna fall. Don't let him fall, that tundra. Say okay, so we'll see you at Chef Mickey's. We are here. Chef Mickey's, time to grub. Y'all hungry? Are y'all hungry? Yes. We all having a wonderful breakfast. Kaiden, what did you get? Tater tots, and he already ate his donut holes. Got a variety of stuff. Maria over here got a variety. Wait, hold up, Mom. Mom, what's the most thing you're excited to eat on that plate? Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Coffee? We forgot to say our prayers? Okay, we gotta pray. Who is it? Pluto. You excited? Who do you see?
I see Minnie now.
Yay!
She come out.
She is? I know. He's just moving. Oh, how nice! Can you kiss his nose? Kiss his nose. Good boy. Bye, Pluto. Oh, he's gonna hold you. How sweet. Did you get it? Hooray! About to walk in. Say hi. Go stand next to him. Give him a hug. He likes warm hugs.
Smile.
Hi. Thank you. Kaiden has been asleep for 2 hours and like 15 minutes. Oh. Brennan went and got him some lunch since we ate lunch and he was asleep. And they give him a little bucket like this. And he gets a water. It's a little drinkable yogurt. It's cute, huh? And then applesauce. And Uncrustables. That's super cute. Oh. And then a cookie. We are looking rough. We just got back and we just got showered and we are about to go to, what's it called? Maginos? On your mark, get set, go! You guys, we are constantly running down the hallways, always. So I'm sorry, 378, if you're sleeping. Okay, I'm gonna join this time. Let's go! I win, you lose. Haha, I'm faster. All right, you gonna push the button?
Yeah. So everyone gets here.
Okay, go for it.
No, but go get some mascara.
This is where we're having dinner. No, it's dinner menu. Oh, he almost touched the real food, you guys. This is Yingling bourbon barbecue honey chicken and ribs. So they said it's going to be a 15-20 minute wait, so we're just going to walk around and check out the scenery here. But you have to be careful here because there are alligators on this property and poisonous snakes on this property. So we have to really watch out because we will never come back if something happens like that. A lizard, see?
Where'd it go?
A lizard. Where did it go? It's right there. There he went. See, there is a gator at our hotel. That is crazy.
That's so cool.
It's a baby one.
I would have that.
Oh my gosh, that is crazy, you guys. This is literally in our hotel. Like, oh look, what if he eats a fish? How awesome would that be?
Oh, look, I spread it out.
Look at that. That is so cool.
Just pose for the camera.
He did. He said, "What's up, girl?"
Oh, look at him fish right there.
Look at him. What is he doing?
Oh, he's under the bridge.
That is a baby.
Oh, I see him.
Mom, it is right here. Let me see, let me see. Oh, you did such a good job.
I have it in my mail.
In the mail.
Look.
I see it so good.
So decent, man. I'm having the chicken penne Alfredo. Kaiden's having a beautifully made mac and cheese with French fries. Brennan is having the special, which is what kind of chicken? Oh, Yingling bourbon chicken, ribs, French fries, and mixed vegetables. You better eat all those vegetables, sir. Nana is having the same thing. Ooh, that looks really good. Maria is having chicken parmesan. And Mom is having the same thing.
Hey, what am I going to the park?
What park are we going to?
This park one.
That park.
Hey,
Alright guys, so we had a wonderful dinner and now we're here and we're about to relax and go to sleep because we have an early day tomorrow. We're going to wake up at 6:15 because we're going to the Animal Kingdom and we want to be well rested. So this is it from us. So give us a thumbs up. Yeah, he's like, looks like a lobster. Everybody's making fun of him. But give us a thumbs up. Oh wait, we're gonna have a tea party first. Thank you for my tea in your Olaf tea set. Tap water. Can you please put my tea tap water over there, please? Thank you. Alright, so like I said, we will see you guys in the morning.